Hi guys, we're going to be making cornmeal and jam pancakes. In a large bowl, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to whisk this together. In a smaller bowl, I have 4 large eggs, and I'm going to add 2 cups of buttermilk to that, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And this is homemade vanilla extract, so if you see little black dots in it, that's what that is. That's just pieces of the bean. Let's mix this together now. We're going to add the wet into the dry. I'm going to mix this in on medium speed just till it's combined. We don't want to overmix it. I've added 2 tablespoons of melted salted butter. We're going to mix this in. I'm adding in 1 cup of seedless raspberry jam, and I'm stirring it in a half a cup at a time. I heat up a little oil in a cast iron skillet over medium heat, and I tested it out by dropping a couple drops of water into it and see if it popped around, and it did. I added about 1/3 cup of the pancake mix. You can make the pancakes as big as you want them. I am going to wait till I start to see bubbles forming, and around the edges it's starting to get a golden brown, and then I'll flip it. Now making these, this isn't going to take on such a visual look of raspberry jam in your pancakes, but it's going to have the flavor of the raspberry jam. And a tip is that if it seems like it's burning, turn the heat down. Because of the raspberry jam being in there, the extra sugar, it will burn easier than regular pancakes. I made a quick raspberry jam, and the way I did it is on the stove in a pot. I put 1/4 cup of water and 1 1/4 cups of raspberry seedless jam, and I stirred it while it was heating up on medium heat until bubbles started forming, and then I removed it from the heat. And this is a little bit runnier than I want it, so I think that probably maybe 1/8 of a cup of water would have been a lot better for this. Maybe try that, or start off with a couple tablespoons maybe of water, and then just kind of keep adding some until you get the right consistency. There's my cornmeal and jam pancakes. I hope you guys like my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.